Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to add products and manage inventory in Wings. So let's get started. First, we need to log in your Wings account and open your website in the Wings Studio. So make sure that you are on the e-commerce template. Now once the editor is open, click on the store menu on the left sidebar to access a store manager. So as you can see here, we have the grade product gallery. Now we have just added this product gallery in our website, as you can see if you scroll down. Now from here we need to open the settings. So select this product gallery, and then we need to click on the manage products. Now you'll be taken into your dashboard or main dashboard, and now here on the products, as you can see, if you want to add a new product, just click on the new product button at the top right hand corner, and then from here you just have to select physical product. Now you should have to enter the product details, so including the name, price, description, and also the images. You can also set up product options like size and color by clicking the add option. Now to manage your inventory, we need to click on the product that you want to edit. So going back here, for example, and click on the product section, right? For example, from the web page, then click on the manage product. Now here, just have to select a product here. For example, this one, click on three dots and click on edit product. And then you should have to find the inventory and shipping section. So we can scroll down until we find the inventory and shipping. And then here you can set the stock quantity for each product and enable inventory tracking. So enter the available quantity for each product and turn on the track inventory switch right from here. And this will allow you to keep track of your stock levels automatically. Now to organize your inventory better, you can set up SKUs or stock keeping units for each product. So in the inventory and shipping tab, enter a unique SKU for each product or variant. Now if your product has different variants like sizes or colors, you just have to go right here. So scroll up. As you can see, you can add variants and inventory levels. Next, configure your shipping settings for each product. In the inventory and shipping tab, set the product weight and dimension if applicable. This helps in calculating shipping cost accurately. Wings also allows you to edit multiple products at once. To do that, go back right here, and then you just have to check 3 products. So use the bulk editing feature, and then click edit and make the necessary changes to price, stock, and also other attributes for all selected products. So for larger inventories, you can import and export product using CSV file. So just go to products tab and choose import products or export products, then follow the prompts to upload or download your product data. So before publishing your site, make sure that you preview your website and test your online store. So go back to your website studio or Wing Studio, and then here you just have to click on the preview and test the shopping cart and checkout process to ensure everything is working properly. And once you're satisfied with your products and inventory setup, it's time to publish your website. So click publish in the top right corner to make your store live, and your online store is now ready for customers to shop. And that's it. You've learned how to add products and manage inventory in Wings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more web design tips and tutorials. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.